Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you are all fine. Currently we are discussing the categories of special children and we had discussed physically challenged and mentally retarded. And today we are going to discuss about the gifted children. We will discuss their causes, characteristics and some educational measures. Alright then let's start. शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. So let's start with a brief introduction. इन इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन जो गिफ्टेड चिल्ड्रंस होते हैं दीज आर दोज लर्नर्स जो कि शो करते हैं एक्सेप्शनली हाई लेवल्स ऑफ एप्टीट्यूड और कॉम्पिटेंस इन वन और मोर डोमेन्स सच एज इन इंटेलेक्चुअल एबिलिटी, एकेडमिक अचीवमेंट, क्रिएटिविटी, लीडरशिप और द आर्ट्स. ऑल्दो उनको ऑफन परसीव किया जाता है एज हाई अचीवर्स एंड दे आर ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड एज एक्सेप्शनल लर्नर्स. बिकॉज जो स्टैंडर्ड करिकुलम होता है वो हमें इनसफिशेंट देखने को मिलता है इन ऑर्डर टू मीट द एडवांस्ड लर्निंग नीड्स ऑफ सच चिल्ड्रन एंड विदाउट अप्रोप्रिएट एजुकेशनल सपोर्ट जो गिफ्टेड लर्नर्स हैं दे में एक्सपीरियंस बोर्डम, अंडर अचीवमेंट एंड बिहेवियरल इशूज एंड ऑल्सो द सोशल इमोशनल डिफ़िकल्टीज़. So जो inclusive education है it therefore addresses the needs of such children through systematic differentiation, just as it does not for those learners who have the other disabilities. And there are various causes of giftedness because जो giftedness है it's not caused by only single factor. इसको हम बेस्ट समझ सकते हैं एज द डायनामिक इंटरेक्शन ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल, एनवायरमेंटल, साइकोलॉजिकल और न्यूरोलॉजिकल इन्फ्लुएंसेस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टॉकिंग अबाउट द जनरल फैक्टर्स और कॉजेज. रिसर्च जो है वो दिखाते हैं कि जो इंटेलिजेंस है दैट हैज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग हेरिडिटरी कंपोनेंट एंड जो गिफ्टेड चिल्ड्रंस होते हैं दे ऑफन शो high neural efficiency, faster processing speed, strong synaptic connectivity, advanced executive functioning. So ये जो biological advantages हैं these biological advantages allows for rapid learning and complex reasoning. ठीक है. Second are environmental factors और environmental simulation. जो genetic potential है that must be nurtured fully, that must be developed fully, and giftedness जो है इसको often enhance किया जा सकता है through various measures like through the early exposure to books and intellectual richness, rich conversations, या opportunities for exploration, problem solving and creativity, या encouragement from parents and teachers. So जो simulating environment है that also help us in activating latent abilities of such children. ठीक है. थर्ड आर साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स. बहुत सारे गिफ्टेड चिल्ड्रंस जो हैं दे ऑल्सो हैव हाई इंट्रेंसिक मोटिवेशन, दे आर ऑल्सो स्ट्रॉन्ग टास्क, दे आर स्ट्रांगली कमिटेड टूवर्ड्स देयर टास्क एंड दे आर ऑल्सो रेज टू लर्न एंड दे हैव द इंटेंस डिज़ायर टू मास्टर टॉपिक्स ऑफ देयर इंटरेस्ट. सो ये जो ट्रेट्स हैं these traits also drive self-directed learning and deep engagement. ठीक है. 4 are neurological differences. न्यूरोसाइंटिफिक स्टडीज़ जो है दैट ऑल्सो सजेस्ट कि जो गिफ्टेड इंडिविजुअल्स होते हैं दे हैव द ग्रेटर प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स एक्टिविटी and they also have the higher metabolic efficiency during complex tasks and they also have enhanced neural integration. So ये जो differences है these differences support advanced reasoning, planning and creativity. ठीक है. I hope it is clear to you. Now talking about the characteristics of gifted children. As I mentioned कि जो giftedness है it does not look the same in every child. However, certain patterns जो है वो commonly हमें देखने को मिलते हैं, उनको ग्रुप किया जाता है into cognitive and socio-emotional characteristics. And there are various characteristics including the cognitive characteristics like जो gifted children होते हैं they rapidly learn with a minimal repetition and they also have the advanced vocabulary and they also use the abstract language and they also have the complex problem solving ability, who sees the relationship across different disciplines, and they also have the intense curiosity, who frequently ask questions like why and how, and they also have the exceptional memory for the facts, concepts and experiences. So ये जो learners हैं, these learners often thrive on challenge and intellectual complexity. Second are social and emotional characteristics. There are also social and emotional characteristics which include asynchronous development, like जो उनकी intellectual abilities होती हैं, they far exceeded emotional maturity या perfectionism जो है, which may lead to anxiety or avoidance of risk, या heightened sensitivity या over excitabilities जो है, including emotional, sensory, intellectual. Similarly, preference for older peers or adults, they prefer older peers or adults due to their intellectual compatibility. So without support, ये जो traits है, these traits can lead such children towards the isolation or emotional distress. ठीक है? I hope it is also clear to you. Now talking about the educational measures and some strategies in inclusive classroom. जो गिफ्टेड लर्नर्स होते हैं उनके लिए ज़रूरत पड़ती है डिफरेंशिएटेड इंस्ट्रक्शन की, जो कि प्रिवेंट करते हैं स्टैग्नेशन एंड जो कि सपोर्ट करते हैं होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट को. एंड दीज मेजर्स और स्ट्रेटजीज इंक्लूड एक्सलरेशन जो है ये अलो करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को टू प्रोग्रेस फास्टर थ्रू द करिकुलम. एंड एक्सलरेशन जो है इसके हमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स देखने को मिलते हैं, लाइक ग्रेड स्पीकिंग, जिसमें जो चिल्ड्रंस हैं दे ट्राई टू एडवांस टुवर्ड्स दी हायर ग्रेड लेवल्स, या सब्जेक्ट एक्सलरेशन जो है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो देयर, लाइक दे लर्न हाई ग्रेड इंस्ट्रक्शंस इन स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट्स, या एंड ऑल्सो दी curriculum compacting जो है which include the pre-assessments to identify mastery or skipping repetitive instruction, and also the using save time for advanced learnings. And जो purpose है acceleration का that is to match the learning pace to the ability. Second जो है that is enrichment जो है it expands learning without changing the grade placement, जो कि focus करते हैं mainly on the depth and complexity. And जो enrichment strategies हैं that are like independent study, which include the in-depth research on chosen topics, या tiered assignments on a topic, same topics, and also the topics which vary on their levels of complexity. And also the Bloom's taxonomy, which focuses on analyzing, evaluating and creating, and which also reduces the focus on rote memorization. So जो purpose है enrichment strategy का that is to promote higher order thinking. Third are group strategies, which include the cluster grouping, जिसमें 4 to 6 gifted children जो है उनको group किया जाता है together in one classroom, या interest centers जो है which include the learning centers or stations with advanced challenges. So ये जो strategies है, these strategies encourage such children for peer interaction at similar intellectual levels. 4 are social emotional support. As I told you कि जो gifted learners है they need emotional as well as academic support. For that जो counseling है that should be done for perfectionism, for reducing anxiety, and for imposter syndrome, and also support for twice exceptional, that is 2E students who are gifted and also have some disabilities like ADHD, dyslexia, and also guidance in emotional regulation and peer relationship. So जो purpose है social emotional support का that is to support the well-being and self-identity of such children. ठीक है, I hope it is clear to you. At conclusion we had learned that कि जो gifted children होते हैं these are also the exceptional learners who possesses unique educational needs. And inclusive education जो है वो recognize करती है excellence of such students like disability जो है. So they require systematic support and differentiation, and through acceleration, enrichment, flexible grouping and social emotional guidance, जो schools हैं they can make sure that कि जो gifted learners हैं they remain engaged, challenged and emotionally healthy. एंड ट्रू इंक्लूजन जो है दैट आल्सो मीन्स मीटिंग एवरी लर्नर्स नीड्स एट देयर लेवल एंड also to help them to reach their full potential. So guys, that is it for today. I hope आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कोई भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. So that is it. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.